Happy birthday, Emma! Hi, Lian! You say hi to the channel. Hi, channel. Hello fam! Good morning! Maayong buntag, maayong adlaw sa inyo hadira sa Pilipinas and sa Calgary. And also to the whole of Canada. Maayong buntag sa inyo ha. Yeah, so let's start the vlog early. Kakagising ko lang. And hindi ko pa kayo nakikita again. Kasi wala pa akong contact lenses. But sobrang bango ng niluluto ni Mommy. Nagising na ako. And yeah, today it's gonna be another busy day for Alba fam. And tingnan natin kung ano ang pin-prepare ni Mommy for breakfast. Wow! Ham, egg, and scrambled egg, toast bread. And what's that, Kuya?
Sandwich.
Yeah, and
Like rice.
and garlic rice. So today pala may attendan kaming birthday. Yan. So happy birthday, Emma! See you later, Tito, Tita. And Kuya Davon and Lianica will be there. Okay, so we'll see you. And meron pa kaming isang birthday na pupuntahan pa. So pupunta din kami sa birthday ng kapatid ng aming sister sa Red Deer. Weather check tayo. Wala na bang iinit pa dito? Wow, nice. Nice Calgary. Ayan, wala na bang iinit pa dito? Clear, wala na bang ki-clear pa dyan? Ganda. Ganda ng weather today. I think it's around 16 degrees, so pa-summer na talaga.
And we're on our way to New Horizon.
Mall. Yeah, nandun yung Sky Castle.
Yeah.
Playground. So
attend muna kami ng birthday party. Kids' birthday party.
yeah,
by the
happy
way.
birthday, Emma.
Yes.
We'll see you soon.
So sa Sky Castle indoor playground siya gagawin. So, mag-enjoy muna ang kids sa indoor and then later outdoor naman. So malapit lang yung New Horizon Mall sa amin. Mga 10 minutes drive?
Yeah.
Kasi malapit siya sa Cross Iron Mills. So, on our way now. 2 p.m. ang party. So,
sakto lang
sakto lang sa amin.
Nandito na tayo sa Horizon Mall kung saan ang Sky Castle. Isa ito sa famous na playground ng mga kids. Ayan. Alright, so let's go inside. And actually last December pumunta din ako dito, if you could recall. And yung sa mga nanonood talaga ng channel natin, pumunta ako dito sa New Horizon Mall kasi may Filipino restaurant dito sa food court nila na masarap magluto. Yan. So let's just go upstairs and we should be able to see the playground right away. Okay, so puntahan ko lang mga kids. Yan, so dito na tayo. And ayan ang aking mga kids. Nagpe-prepare na. So yan nga pala, ang Sky Castle, parang event place nila. And nandun naman yung playground nila na napakalaki at napakaganda. Okay, so pasok lang tayo and let's greet Emma. Happy birthday! Yan, nakikita na namin ang aming mga family. At yan na si Lian. Oh, hi Lian! You say hi to the channel. Hi channel. Ayan si Kuya Aaron. And there you go. Ganda naman ng ganda ng decoration ni Eva. Yeah. Hey fam, yan. Ganda talaga ng playground na to or play place na to. Sa event nila to dito eh. Hello ate, high five to dito. Alright. Yan, so si Kuya David, sobrang laki naman ng Lego nila kuya. You like that? You want this to be at home?
Yeah.
Huh? You want daddy to buy this? You want daddy to buy something like this for the house? But this is too big. This is gonna occupy all your room. Hi, Lian. Are you having fun? Opo. Opo. Okay. Yan. So wala masyadong tao, so it's a good thing. Yan na ang aming family here. Yan. Nagpe-prepare lang sila. And of course, the boys are here too. Happy birthday, Emma! So we're done! And nagpa-pack na din ang ating family. So tapos na at lilipat sila dun sa mas malaking room. Ngayon naman ay may pupuntahan tayo. First time namin dun. So pupunta naman tayo ngayon sa Sylvan Lake. So it's an hour from here. So nandito na kami sa Balzac. So very excited kami and papaliguin ko si Davon and si Lianica dun. Sama ulit kayo sa Alba Fam Bam Adventure today. So tapos nang mag-playground ang aking mga anak, Sky Castle. So if you're wondering, hindi na kami natuloy ng Sylvan Lake or Sylvan Lake. At grabe ang iyak ni Davon and Lianica eh. And also medyo alanganin na kasi late na kami. So mga around 6:30 to 7 na kami makakarating sa Sylvan Lake.
Late na rin.
PM.
Yeah.
Pagdating doon, baka 8 or 9 p.m. mag-uuwian na din. So parang mas mahaba pa yung binyahe namin. So hindi na siya practical. That's why we decided to go back. Actually, umalis na kami. Nagpagas na kami sa Costco eh. Pero ayun. So we just decided to come back again dito sa playground para makapaglaro na lang sina Davon and Lian. So we're back home after ng Sky Castle ni na Kuya Davon and Lianica. So napaliguan na rin namin sila ni Mommy. Kasi syempre we need to be ready for tomorrow at school day na naman. And yeah, nagrereklamo na nga si Kuya kasi from 4, 5, 6, 6:30, magsa-7 na tayo umalis lang. 4 hours silang naglaro. Masakit na daw yung paa ni Kuya. Sumakit daw. So, I don't know. Bukas, mas lalo pang masakit to. Instead of kakain sa labas, parang nag-usap kami ni Mommy, sa bahay na lang tayo kumain. Kasi madami namang food na nakaipon sa fridge. This is beef steak. Thanks, Sister Diane. At ito pa yung beef steak mo. Kakainin na namin today. And the other one na kine-crave ni Mommy actually ay ang molo soup. O, di ba? Aside from masarap na yung food namin today, nakatipid pa. Kasi hindi kami kumain sa labas. Ayan. So, ayun nga. Yung kwento kanina, supposed to be, pupunta kami ng Sylvan Lake. Nakakainggit nga naman talaga. Kasi ang ganda ng weather, mainit. And then, ano pala love, yung lake, hindi siya malalim. So, malalaruan ng mga bata talaga yung beach.
Bro, ready na nga ako sa mga...
Yeah. Yeah. Nakadala talaga kami ng pangligo, everything. Pero ayun nga, sina Kuya Davon and Lianica kasi nakapunta na ng Sky Castle before. And alam nila na may malaking playground in front kung saan hineld yung birthday ni Emma. So that's why they were really expecting na makakapaglaro sila doon. And bigla kaming nag-pack up, right? Tapos actually papunta na talaga kami. Nagpagas kami sa Costco. And then grabe yung iyak ni na Davon and Lian. So we couldn't do anything. But to go back to Sky Castle. So nag-decide kami na bumalik na lang ng Sky Castle kasi para makalaro si na Davon and si Lian, tumigil yung iyak nila, and at the same time para hindi maalangan din sina brothers and sisters dun sa Sylvan Lake kasi more or less mga 6 to 7 na kami dadating dun. So 1 to 1 hour and a half din yung biyahe. So dito na lang kami, umuwi na lang kami sa bahay after. And yeah, I actually missed to add a video yesterday nung sinimulan ko ang pagka-car wash. No, not car wash, but detail ng interior ng SUV namin here. So, bumaba na ako. May dala na vacuum. And yeah, let's clean up this car. So, pinakita ko sa inyo, nakapag-car wash na ako nito the other day. Or upcoming. But then, kailangan naman natin linisin yung loob. So, vacuum and everything. So, i-try din natin na pati yung interior talaga. So, Armor All ang gamit ko dyan. So, request talaga yun ni Mommy. And, yeah, siguro next weekend, anuin ko naman, yung van naman natin. Lilinisin ko. So, yung Armor All and everything. Para naman, parang 2 years ko nang hindi nalinis yung interior since pagdating namin ng Calgary kasi biglang sobrang busy na eh. Dinner lang kami and that's it for today kasi we need to pack up na din. And yeah, napagod ang Alba Fam Bam this weekend. Full packed din actually ang ating schedule. Let's go and eat. Parang piyestahan din pala ang kainan namin. Thanks for inviting us, Carla and Matt Bannister. So check nyo ang page nila, House of Bannister. Yan, so relatives namin yan dito sa Calgary. Facebook stars yung mga yan. Excited na akong kumain. Siyempre, rice. And yung beef steak, parang tinweak ko lang, parang naging pares na pala. And then, the pancit molo, which is Mommy's favorite. And Shanghai. There you go, so Lian. Yup, so that's all for today's video, fam. Wala kami masyadong napakita dun sa Sky Castle kasi parang nakakailang kasi may mga ibang bata. So I really don't want to like keep on shooting videos for the vlog kasi baka may magalit na parents. But yeah, I think meron naman akong clip. And I've also shown that playground previously. So, kakain lang kami and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and also palihog, like pud mo og follow sa among Facebook page Alba Fam Bam. Same name. Okay, so maayong buntag sa inyo hadira, maayong gabi. Gabi na dire pero since it's summer, sobrang mainit pa din.
Yeah.
Sobrang
Back to
mainit.
10 p.m. na naman ng night.
Medyo nagrereklamo na kami na mainit. Ayan. So, repeat. Thanks again for watching and please like and subscribe to our channel.
And see you on the next
And see you on the next
video.
Hang
Lian,
loose. You do the hang loose, Lian. Hang loose. Cover the camera. Hang loose.